Welcome. In this lesson, we will be looking at Basic Algebra, Part 2. The topics are powers and addition or subtraction of algebraic terms. First off, powers. So this quantity, a multiplied by a multiplied by a, is usually written as the third power of a, or a to the third power. And this 3 indicates the number of times a number must be multiplied together. So for instance, 2 to the 4th power means that 2 must be multiplied together 4 times. And that's how we arrive at the answer 16. Second example, find the value of b to the 3rd power when b is 5. All we need to do is substitute 5 where b is. It becomes 5 to the 3rd power. And we multiply 5 3 times to give us 125. In the next example, you need to note that when dealing with these expressions, it is only the symbol n that is raised to the 4th power. So 8 multiplied by n and multiplied by n, multiplied by n, multiplied by n, multiplied by n. So only n needs to be multiplied 4 times. For instance, find the value of 7p to the 2nd power and q to the 3rd power when p is 5 and q is 4. Substituting 5 where p is and 4 where q is. It becomes 7 times 5 to the 2nd power times 4 to the 3rd power, which is equal to 7 times 5 to the 2nd power is 25 and 4 to the 3rd power is 64. So 7 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 64 equals 11,200. Moving on to addition or subtraction of algebraic terms. Now, an expression consisting of like terms can be reduced to a single term by adding or subtracting the numerical coefficients together. For instance, example 1. 7x, 5x, and 3x are all like terms. So we can work it out. 7 minus 5 plus 3 equals to 5x. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5. The next example, we're subtracting. And since the terms are like, we can work it out. 1 minus 3 equal negative q. Final example, 8x plus 3y minus 4z minus 5x plus 7z minus 2y plus 2z. Now this may seem a bit lengthy, but all we need to do is group them. Group the like terms together. So for instance, we are grouping x together. 8x, 8 minus 5x. And group the y's together. 3y minus 2y plus negative 4z plus 7z plus 2z. And now that it is grouped, then we can work it out. 8 minus 5, 3x, 3 minus 2, y, minus 4 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 5z. So our answer is 3x plus y plus 5z. Note that only like terms can be added or subtracted. So, for example, 7a plus 3b minus 4c is an expression that contains 3 unlike terms, which means that it cannot be simplified. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for listening.